Hello everybody. Today we are going to see how to become SAP consultant with no degree. So before that, let's see what is SAP. About SAP. What is SAP? System application products with data processing. So that is SAP. It's an ERP application. What is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. So enterprise resource planning, what it is? So all the modules, that is all the divisions across an organization runs in one application. That is enterprise resource planning. Who are all there in enterprise resource planning ERP other than SAP? Oracle application is there, MS Dynamics is there, Ramco ERP is there, Tally ERP is there. So some small companies like Barn, like that. So among all this, SAP is now world number one ERP, and it's a ERP expert. So it is now SAP is a mobile app also, mobile application also. They call it SAP Mobility, wherein through mobile itself you can connect. So, for example, you can create purchase order, or you can create sales order. You can do delivery to the customer. You can do bill. You can bill the customer, or you can do goods receipting. That is inbound delivery, goods movement. You can do it through mobile itself. So that is SAP Mobility. So next, let's see SAP consultant with no degree. How to become a SAP consultant with no degree. So when I say no degree in the sense, not without any degree, not even school pass out, college dropout. So it is like for diploma holders. So SAP can become, anybody can become a consultant with a diploma holder, with a diploma holding itself. Okay, like diploma in mechanical engineer, diploma in triple E, diploma in ECE, diploma in production, diploma in leather technology, diploma in textile. So like that. So it is a basic diploma degree itself is enough for SAP consultant. Again, I repeat, a basic diploma degree is enough for on becoming a SAP consultant. For becoming a SAP consultant. Okay. So now diploma holders. So which diploma for which SAP model they can do. So first step, for diploma in mechanical, he can study SAP MM. So he can do SAP MM module. Mechanical engineer, that is diploma in mechanical, can do SAP material management. Next, ECE, electronics and communication engineering, communication engineering. He can do either SAP MM or SAP SD, material management or sales and distribution. Third, civil. So for diplomas in civil, he can do SAP project systems. So project systems, he can do project systems. For IT, he can do SAP basis. Basis is nothing but it is more into administration side. Okay, administration. How to install SAP. So those are all administration side. Providing user ID, providing password. So those are all administration side. So for production, diploma in production, he can do SAP production planning, PP. Okay. And moreover, if he's in leather or textile, he can do production planning or material management. So this production, this leather or textile, there will be procurement. SAP material management is more into procurement of the raw material. So he can do procurement. So in supply chain, procurement is the base of business process. So it is a basics of business process. Raw material procurement, wherein you procure the raw material and you make it as a finished goods and sell it to the customer. So that is leather tech. If the diploma holder is having a leather technology or textile, he can do SAP material management, or he can do SAP SD also. So if a diploma holder is having medical laboratory technology, he can do EHS, Environment, Health and Safety, SAP EHS. Thank you.